What's up guys? Another weekend, another state park. This week we're gonna go to Roper Lake State Park. It's located 7 miles south of Safford.
Yo, what's up everybody? We're the RCs, and after years and years of dreaming about getting a van and traveling all over America, we finally did it. We bought a van. So follow us on our journey as we drive state to state, eating the local foods, seeing the best views, and creating memories that'll last a lifetime. This is RC's Adventures.
You guys ready to go?
Yeah! Yes!
Let's go. Check it out. This is the biggest aircraft boneyard in the world, and it's located right here in Tucson, Arizona. Bam.
Dollar General.
Natty Ice, $8.95. That's not a dollar. We just got to Roper Lake, and we're gonna explore. Wipe his face? That's all I ask. Island rules. Glass containers prohibited. No pets on beach. No fishing on beach. No vehicles. Yeah, basically no fun. All right, so we just arrived to the island at Roper Lake, and it's not really an island because it's connected to the land, so that's not island. There's a restroom right there. Restroom. Let's see. Ugh. Vault toilets suck. One bathroom here on the island. They got ramadas here with barbecue grills. They got picnic tables everywhere. If you guys can see, there's cabins way over there.
What?
Oh, is that the chip dance? Can I see that again? What the heck? You want to dance? Go ahead. Go give her a chip, please, because she's gonna do a chip dance.
No, I got two.
Give her one chip, that one in your hand. Give her that one. There's a giant ramada right in the middle of the island. What do you guys see? Very nice it is out here.
Guys, guess what? We found a hole.
Where's that? Maybe it's a glory hole.
Wait, that's...
Got him. Look at this barbecue grill.
Guess what?
All right, so that's the island. I hope you guys enjoy your tour. They got little ramadas, they got barbecues, they got horseshoes right here, they got a giant ramada, and they got a kitchen right there. Pretty cool. If you want to come here, this is the day use area. All right, so that's the Roper Lake right there. See this little island? That's where we're just at. You can see all the little picnic tables. See that dude swimming right there? That was the beach on the west coast of it. Here we are in the parking lot. We're gonna come out. We're gonna drive over here. This place got humongous speed bumps. Look at them. Check it out, guys. We just made it to our campsite. We're staying at the Hacienda, spot number 35. Let me show you around. All right, so this is a pull-through site. That means I could pull through, not a backup site. I don't back in, I pull through. For you girls that like to back it in, shout out to you. All right, over here, we got the electricity and the water. Looks like we got 20 amp and 30 amp. And over here, here's the water. Water. And then over here, we got the picnic table. Very nice, very sturdy. Look at that right there. So nice to have a picnic table. I love to sit down. I'm so lazy. Oh, I didn't see you over there. Come over here, check this out. Right here, we got our fire ring. And if you look at the side right here, you could adjust the levels. See that right there? Dude, there's levels to this barbecue. I got a van update. I just installed some shore power in my van. If you want to watch that video, there's a link in the description below. There you go, shore power. Let's see, check for obstructions. Scan the sky. Oh. What? Ah, yeah. Yep. Pretty clear, huh? If I got internet. Yeah, 28 megabytes upload. See if I could stream some Pornhub. Or, I meant YouTube. She got the brand new Blackstone 17-inch griddle.
And mommy cooking chicken nugget.
Every time you use your cast iron or your pan, make sure that you season it again and again.
Tonight we'll be pairing our bacon with whiskey. We got lovely Elijah Craig small batch, 1789. Whiskey and bacon. 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 Whoa, you're a DJ?
Yeah.
Fried rice! Jacob.
Hello, you want some pizza? Hello, you want pizza?
This is how you check if it's really good whiskey. Whoa.
You're not even starting drinking yet, already acting like you're drunk.
Hey!
Chicken nuggets monster.
We're gonna go ahead and eat and call it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh. Good morning from Roper Lake State Park. Last night is kind of hot in the van. Not too bad though, but coming out here, super cool. Feels good. You know what else feels good? Me taking a morning dump. Let's go. Good morning, Fire Pit. Good morning, Starlink. This right here is the bathrooms. Right behind the restrooms, they have a sink, water fountain. Welcome to the restrooms at Roper Lake State Park. All right, you got your sinks, got a little soap dispenser, got a hand dryer. You got 2 showers. You got some mirrors. You got 1 urinal. And you got 2 toilets. I hope you guys enjoy your tour. Come back next time to take a dump. Good morning. Good morning, little ladybug. Let's go explore. Well, this is the lake. So that was the fishing dock. There's someone else down there. And there's a lot of spider webs, so we're gonna move on, try to find a better spot. And if we don't, we're gonna go on to the, what is it called? Dankworth Lake. So right now we are here on the east side of the lake, right near the boat launch. If you forgot your life vest, you could come here at the Life Jack Loaner Station. And right here, this is the boat launch. Your daily bag, you're allowed 4 trout, 6 bass, and 4 catfish. And right there, there's a duck. Quack, quack. Dude, it's so peaceful out here. It's because my kids are still in the van. So this right here is the day use area. Whole bunch of picnic tables with barbecue grills. I'm gonna see if I can head down to the lake. There's the boat launch that we were just at. This tide is low. We're gonna head out to Dankworth Pond. It's about a 3-mile drive. And that's also included when you buy your ticket here or your camp here. You gotta go and check out Dankworth Pond for free. Let's go. Dankworth Pond. You got restrooms right here to the left, and they got all these nice picnic sites. How is it?
Nice, I want to stay here.
This right here is Dankworth Pond. Look at this. This is a man-made pond. Very nice. See some fish right there. Dude, I'm the only one here at this pond. Awesome. Just got the kids some fishing poles. We're gonna go fishing today. You spin this one. You hold this and you spin it. 3, 2, 1. All right, so we got the pier. Let's go fish. Here, you want me to help you tap? Whoa. Good old father and son fishing. This is what life's about, guys. We don't even have to catch any fish. We're just having a good time bonding. Right, Jacob?
Yeah!
I'm gonna catch way more fish than him. That means we ain't cooking any fish. These are the restrooms at Dankworth Pond. Let me show you guys around. Let's go to the men's. Sink, handsome guy, paper towels, and we got one stall. I wouldn't mind taking a here after I'm done fishing. And there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoy your tour. You see that right there? I let my wife try to fish for 5 minutes. All right, we just made it back to camp after a long day of fishing. Everyone is super tired, right?
Yep.
Nope.
Nope.
Wait, Jazzy? All right, Mama's over there cooking up some dinner. We're gonna give the kids some showers and then call it a night. Whew, I'm tired. All right, guys, we didn't catch no fish, so we're gonna go home empty-handed. But anyways, we still had fun. So I'll see you on the next state park. Peace. Dude, nobody's here. Right when I said that, someone shows up. Pause it, pause it. I'm doing a video. Pause it. Pause it. Turn it off. No more sound.
Jake, listen. I'm trying.
We'll try harder. Oh my gosh.
Yeah?
How many ice creams are you gonna eat?
2.
Wait, that's your third.
Oh. This is my second.
But look, I see this color here, and this color here, and this color here. How come there are 3 different colors?
Yeah, I walk for school.
Digital boy. What? The heck? Booty shaker. Dankworth Pond 1, RC's 0. We'll come back for you guys. Hey, it's not funny. Roper Lake brag board. We ain't catch. This right here is the hot springs.
Yep. And you walk all the way there.
I did walk all the way up that damn mountain right here, but look at. What a loser.
Whiskey and bacon and steak. Whiskey and bacon and steak, fried rice, egg, bread, video games. Starlink, hot